Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you what all new things are available with iOS sheet in iOS 26. So let's get started. So the first demo which I want to show you, here you can see I have an open sheet button, and if I click on open sheet, there are three ways we can change the height of a sheet view. So here you can see I'm using something called presentation dense. So first the height is 180. Now if I just scroll up, here you can see the height changes to medium, and if I scroll even more up, it changes to large. Now do notice how the background changes. So if it is large, we are not able to see anything. If it is medium, here you can see we get this kind of liquid glass effect, so the user knows there is something behind, and in case of 180 we can just see everything. So let's see how to do this. So it's simple. You just have to create a SwiftUI application. Here I have just created one button, and this is the state for showing and hiding our sheet. And once this is true, here you can see I'm just displaying the sheet using the sheet property, and here is another SwiftUI view. So here I have just taken one v stack with some text, and make sure you apply this presentation dense, height 180, medium and large. Okay, now the second thing which I want to show you is it will be a quick one. I'll just copy this, just come over here and I'll paste it over here. Okay, I'm not able to copy it, I don't know why. Okay, let me try it one more time. So this is related to more about the animation on how to, not this, command V. Okay, so now let's just run this. So this is like I said, this is related to more about the animation. So here what I have done is that I have taken a show sheet of false. Okay, here then I have taken this namespace, I have taken one v stack, and here I have just taken some text element. Okay, and I have taken one toolbar. A toolbar has this particular plus button, and on a click of it we just change this particular state to true. Now I want the animation, right? So I'll first show you what the animation is. If I click on this, here you can see this particular animation, and if I just pull it down, this is how the animation looks like. So there could be like different ways of this animation as well. If your button is located at the left hand side bottom corner, the animation might be a little bit different. So yeah, that's what this is. So here you can see, like I said, this is the toolbar. So here I have taken one toolbar but item which has a button inside it, and this is the important thing. You have to write this mesh transition source, give it some ID, and you need to specify the namespace as well. And when you are displaying the sheet view with this sheet property, you just have to use this navigation transition. Then here you can specify the animation. So I want the zoom animation. Now the source ID must match this particular mesh transition source ID as well, and here you need to pass the namespace. And if for the sheet content, this is how this is. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.